Hotspot Shield is a popular VPN service known for its extensive server network and user-friendly interface. With over 1,800 servers across 90 countries, it offers a wide range of options for users looking to spoof their location. The service is praised for its ability to unblock streaming content including Netflix, iPlayer, and Prime Video. Additionally, Hotspot Shield provides a generous free plan, although it comes with limitations such as a 500 MB daily data cap and slower speeds. Despite its strengths, Hotspot Shield has mixed reviews. Users appreciate the sleek app design and the array of security features beyond VPN protection. However, there are criticisms regarding its pricing, which is considered above average compared to other VPNs. The free version is supported by targeted ads on Android, which raises privacy concerns. Some users have also reported issues with the Windows kill switch and inconsistencies across different apps. While Hotspot Shield offers a robust set of features and good performance, potential users should be aware of its limitations and consider whether the cost and privacy trade-offs are acceptable for their needs.